4 tires. These are coming up, so you're also on that because the rear needs to come up too. Back up a little bit.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that part earlier.
This is what we were talking about.
Everybody got that?
Back up a little bit more. Oop. Passenger. Great. What's behind there?
Those wheels have to come off and over. If you lift it just a little bit, I think it'll just bump them around that way. You have anything to front there?
I mean, I'm worried about the control arm coming down on this rock if she does that.
Well, she'd come back like a foot and just go forward like a foot. And then
I mean, she might be able to fall over it slowly.
because I think both are just trying to get up and over.
Try, stay, start going slowly. Real, rear's gonna have to take time. There you go.
There you go. Oh.
You had to stay in it. There you go. Okay.
Yeah, you can climb it. I think you've got plenty of clearance, even with the steps. So if you want to,